Time to get it going with Top That Trade. Joining us today, Scott Bauer, the CEO of Prosper Trading Academy, and Phil Flynn, a Fox Business Network contributor. Here we go, guys. Round number one. Gold heist. As you know, gold topping $1,500 per ounce this week. Do you think gold will punch higher?
Yes, it can. But did you hear that story about what happened in Mexico?
I know, the big heist down there, right?
I know. I'm telling you, it happened at noon. Everybody went to lunch, the security guards, and the gold disappeared.
What's the difference, though, if they want to go in and steal it if gold's trading $1,300 or $1,500, right? They want to go in and get it whenever it is. However, I'm going to take the opposite side of Mr. Flynn here.
Whoa.
And I think gold has topped out.
Why?
Because I think this run-up that we had, yes, it was a flight to safety, but
Right.
it was a long time in the making. So I think that there's been a lot of pent-up demand that we saw gold literally in a slumber for years and years and years. This move made up for it. I really think that maybe we haven't hit quite the top yet, but this acceleration, we're getting there.
Okay, well, we'll see. Central banks disagree with you because they
know
bought
they
a
do.
record amount.
And they're a lot smarter than me, but I like to trade.
I don't know if they are, actually. They aren't. I don't think they are.
Oh my goodness, on round number two, spending splurge. Corporations are spending big on dividends and stock buybacks, but it's more than the cash corporations are taking in. Is that a sell signal?
Is that a sell signal? No, I don't think so at all. I think, to me, it's just their best use of capital at this point. You know, some companies are trying to cut back a little bit, maybe not knowing where that capital expenditure should go just because of trade tariffs and all the rest of the economic, issues that are at hand. So they're putting it into their own companies. They're just buying back their shares. They're paying more dividends. I see that as actually being very prudent.
Scott, historically, that's a great thing, right?
Exact-
That's what you want companies to do.
I agree.
Give you your money back.
I
Don't
agree.
keep it so it disappears.
Here's your third round question. Pie problem. Domino's Pizza in the UK, stockpiling ingredients in case there's a hard landing with Brexit. Do you buy the down pound or more Domino's Pizza?
I don't care what you say. You cannot get a good pizza in the UK. I have tried. There's nowhere to go. There's one Chicago bar, I think, in the UK, but that's the only place you can get a halfway decent pizza. But obviously, they're concerned that supply disruptions means you're not going to get a good pizza. What do you say?
Yeah, and you know what? Beyond pizza, I think that this begets the bigger issue of what other companies, what other industries may start stocking up in advance as well. So, I think they're being prudent as well. I think they're looking at a worst case scenario. And once again here, I think they're doing what's right for the company.
You're saying Beyond Pizza? Is that like Beyond Meat? Fake pizza? No,
I don't want fake pizza.
No, that's too bad.
I want the real deal.
We want the real deal.
Deep dish
No
Chicago
fake pizza. Yes, thank you.
Here's your bonus round question for today. And the house has been winning a lot lately with you two. So here's a simple question.
That's because we've got bad questions. They're tough. They're too tough.
The odds are about to flip.
We're
the
flipping.
odds are
This
about
is
to
it.
flip.
All right, we're going down.
You're blaming me?
Wait a second. The house always wins. You know that. Come on. We're always at a disadvantage.
All right, here it is. True or false? The UN is suggesting that people should eat less meat to help with climate change.
I unfortunately have to agree with that.
True, but ridiculous.
It's true, 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 and the cattle ranchers thank you.
Truly ridiculous. Thank you.
Yeah, it's a good thing we doubled down
Thank
today
you,
because we knew the odds were in our favor.
Yeah, we came down against fake meat, fake pizza.
That's
We've covered it all.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.